According to the latest update, on Tuesday, Kerala recorded 74.02% voter turnout in the assembly election as the polling for the state ended by 7 pm during the day. In the 2016 assembly polls, Kerala had recorded 77.53%. Kozhikode recorded the highest voting with 77.9%. The lowest turnout was in Pathanamthitta. It was 68.09%. Thiruvananthapuram district, which has a triangular fight on cards in many seats, recorded 69.77%. The Ernakulam district saw brisk polling with 74.12% electorate casting votes. According to the latest information available, 150 ballot units, 150 control units, and 747 voter verifiable paper audit trail VVPAT machines were damaged during the election. In the Malappuram Lok Sabha by-election, 4 ballot units, 4 control units, and 33 VVPAT machines were damaged. At the state level, 0.33% ballot units, 0.33% control units, and 1.6% VVPAT had to be replaced due to malfunction. To ensure a smooth and fair election, webcasting was done in 20,478 booths. Though there were widespread complaints about chances for bogus voting prior to polls, on the polling day there were no major complaints from parties, except a few cases. Isolated incidents of violence were reported from a few places in the state. The elections to choose members to the 140-seat Kerala Legislative Assembly is witnessing a three-cornered fight between the incumbent CPIM-led Left Democratic Front, which hopes for continuity of rule, the Congress-led United Democratic Front, and the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance. Meanwhile, the voter turnout for the Malappuram Lok Sabha by-election has reported 74.53% turnout as per the latest figures available. The election results will be out on May 2nd. The district-wise polling percentage as on Tuesday night are as follows. Kasaragod 74.08%, Kozhikode 78.30%, Thrissur 73.60%, Ernakulam 74%, Kottayam 72.10%, Alappuzha 74.40%, Kannur 77.80%, Wayanad 74.70%, Malappuram 74%, Palakkad 76.10%, Idukki 70.30%, Pathanamthitta 67.10%, Kollam 73%, and Thiruvananthapuram 70.20%. News Desk, Kaumudy English.